In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add upcoming events to your WordPress website. This will be incredibly useful if you're looking to engage your audience by keeping them updated and informed on what's happening next. Let's dive right in and ensure you're equipped to display events seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. If you're unfamiliar with this, it's the central hub from which you manage your entire site. Once you're there, navigate to the Plugins section. This is where you'll find a wealth of resources to extend the functionality of your website. You'll want to click on Add New at the top of the page. In the search bar provided, type in Events Calendar. This plugin will help us display events effectively. Go ahead and install the plugin by clicking the Install Now button, and once it's finished downloading, be sure to activate it. Activation is crucial as it allows the plugin to start functioning on your site. Now that the plugin is active, you'll notice a new Events option on your WordPress dashboard menu. Click on that to begin setting up your events. Within the Events area, you're going to click on Add New to create your first event. Here's where you can get creative. You'll need to input a clear and engaging title for your event. This is what your audience will first see, so make it appealing. Next, pay special attention to the event details section. This is where you'll fill in the specifics like the date and time. Make sure you enter the start and end times accurately, as this information is crucial for anyone planning to attend. Don't forget to add a location. If your event is online, you can simply put a link here. For physical venues, it's a good idea to enter the address to help attendees find their way. Below the details, there's a section for your event description. This is your chance to provide more information. Explain what the event is about, who it's for, and why people should be eager to attend. Adding an image here is also beneficial as it makes your event page visually appealing and more engaging. One final touch that you shouldn't overlook is the categories and tags section. Use these to organize your events so users can find related events more easily. Once you're satisfied with all the details, simply click on the Publish button on the right-hand side. This will make your event live on your site, ready for visitors to discover. And you're done. As a bonus tip, remember to periodically review and update your events list to keep your audience coming back. By following these steps, you've successfully equipped your WordPress website with the ability to showcase upcoming events efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy event planning!